Hey, we're on our way to Bilo and Walmart and Dollar General. And this is Phyllis. I'm from southernfrugal.com. Okay, Walmart grocery list. And I have a coupon I'm going to take to the return desk because I forgot to use it on some olive oil I bought. So it's not but $1, but I'm there anyway, so I might as well use it. So anyway, if that happens to you, all you have to do is take your receipt where you purchased whatever it is and your coupon. They'll just hand you $1 from the register there at the return desk. Okay, going to Bilo for my meats. Going to buy 3 lottery tickets. What does this do? This helps our South Carolina schools as it does in most states. So I'm there anyway. I've got $3 in cash. Might as well get 3 lottery tickets. I don't really do that every time, but whenever I've got actual cash, sometimes I get them. Dollar General. I'm going to buy some toilet paper. And that's the main reason for the video. We have tried toilet paper, every kind that you can imagine, and the one at Dollar General works, and it's I don't remember how many rolls it is. I remember it's $10 though, but it's well worth it. So anyway, once we get to Dollar General, I'll show you where you can find it. Okay, we are about at Dollar General now. There it is. And this is where we're going to get the toilet paper because they've got the best deal in town on toilet paper. Let me see if I can park right here. All right, there it is. We're going to go in and I'm going to record in the store. I hope they don't mind. Back in a minute. Okay, we're in Dollar General and I could not find that $10 toilet paper. Can you tell me where that is, the $10 toilet paper?
It's right behind you on the bottom shelf.
Oh.
Premium soft bath tissue.
Oh, okay, it's really good. Okay, there it is. $10. 64 regular rolls, 32 double rolls. And when does your truck come in?
We get a truck every Tuesday.
All right, in this Dollar General, they get a truck every Tuesday. Y'all sell out of this pretty fast, don't you?
Yes.
All right, everybody knows this is a good deal. So if y'all go to Dollar General, what you want to do is ask the manager or assistant manager what day the truck comes in, because it'll all be gone if you don't. All right, we're going to go ahead and get some of this. All right, we are back, and I'm trying to find the paper towels. And all right, let me ask this lady. Hey, what about those paper towels? Did y'all get any in on the truck today?
No.
Okay. All right, so when could I come back and get some of those?
We'll have another truck by next Tuesday and some should be in.
Oh, I've got to wait. Okay, so this is the best deal. How many rolls are in that? It's the Dollar General paper towels, right?
No, those are Scott.
Scott is the best one.
Scott, 6 rolls come in, 6 mega rolls.
Oh, I just saw that guy a while ago. He must have gotten the last one. All right, we'll have to come back. All right. Okay, we're going to have to get the sparkle because I'm not going to be able to come back again. It's not going to be worth it, the difference in the price. But next time we're going to get the Dollar General, but this time we're going to go ahead and get sparkle. They're giving you 20% more. Now, at Dollar General, you're going to find that they're actually cheaper than Walmart. But the store is much smaller, so they don't do a lot of stock here. So you have to come when the truck comes in. All right, we're going to get that and we'll be back. Okay, this is the produce, the grocery canned goods in Dollar General. Now, most of the time, what you find here is going to be cheaper than Walmart. Now, I want to give you a little clue on this. Some of the things, they're not in a smaller can, but they're less in the can, if that makes sense. I'm trying to find now those Italian green beans. I'm not really sure where they are in here. I don't even think they carry them anymore. But anyway, the way they did was they just put less in the can. So that really isn't a deal if they're going to put less in the can. So you need to watch that. But I've compared a lot of stuff and they're definitely cheaper. Here are the spices. Definitely cheaper than Walmart. Clover Valley, that's their brand. Look at that. Garlic salt, garlic powder for $1. Red pepper, chili powder. Great stuff. This is Dash. Now, Dollar General has expanded a tremendous amount since we've been in this recession that we're in. So you might look and see where you've got a Dollar General. I used to think they were just for poor people, and I never even went in a Dollar General until several years ago. And then I was like, wow, who can believe these prices? I mean, you know what? When you're getting spices, I just wanted to go back to that. You know, minced onion is minced onion. I don't care what the brand is, it's still minced onion. The same with the onion powder, garlic salt, garlic powder. There's Mrs. Dash. That's something for you to compare Walmart's price. And again, they're getting this in a large bulk. Now, here's the one I use, the Old Bay seasoning. Of course, this is the large thing. I don't like to buy it in this large a can, but I'm going to go ahead and get it because I need some. There's the gravies and all up there. Look at this. 100% extra virgin olive oil, $2.50. That just beats the heck out of any prices. Now, you see the brand? Clover Valley. That's why. This is their store brand. Stevia extract, I don't use that, but there it is. Splenda baking powder. Clover Valley brand evaporated milk. Now, what's the difference in this brand and this brand? Absolutely nothing. It's exactly the same thing, okay? Exactly the same thing. There's some Pam spray, and I don't really use that either, but I'm just doing this, you know, so you can see what the difference is. There's the apple pie filling, cherry pie filling, $2. All right, let's go over and look at the wash detergent. Okay, looking at the laundry detergents, this is the one I use. It's only $5, and it really, really works well. Well, wait a minute, I'm not sure about that. Let me ask the girl. Ma'am, is this $5 or what? I don't see that. This one's $5. Is that the sign for it right there?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, thank you. All right, that's right. This is $5, and it works really, really well. All right, let me just look at the rest of this and give you some idea of the prices. I'm going to ask them if they take coupons, because I don't ever get a brand that you can use coupons on. So, ma'am, do y'all take coupons? You do? Okay. Yeah, they take coupons. Good news. All right. So now let's look over here. Now also on the Clorox. I mean, really, how different is Clorox? How different can it be? So I just go ahead and get their brand right here, and I'm going to use that to clean off my steps. Sometimes I use it in the towels a little bit, but mostly I use it to clean mildew off my back steps. So we're going to go ahead and get some of that. There it is. More concentrated. All right. Now here's the actual Clorox brand at $3.95. Now, I ask you again, what can possibly be the difference? other than the name brand. I mean, it's ridiculous. $3.95. Unbelievable. All right, let me look at some of the rest of it. All right. Now this is the Lysol spray I use, and I don't remember how much that is in Walmart. I also use this antibacterial Lysol right there, kitchen cleaner, and it does work really well. All right, let me let you look at some of the other prices. There's the spray. I also use this bathroom bowl cleaner right there. Now you want to look at this and make sure that it's not smaller than the one in Walmart. I don't think it is. Anyway, I'm headed to Walmart after this and we'll look at some of the same stuff. All right, we'll be back. Okay, we are in Walmart at the return counter, and when I was in here, let's see, it was on the 21st, I forgot to use the coupon for the olive oil. So anytime you forget, you can bring your receipt and the coupon back in and they'll give you credit for it. So, all right, there's the olive oil, and there's the coupon. I mean, because I'm going to be in here anyway, so I might as well, right?
I need a key turn.
All right, so we got to wait for a key turn for her to give me this. And she's probably just going to give me $1 back. But anyway, I'm in here anyway, we might as well do it. I'm not putting y'all on camera, so they're all standing back. They don't want to be on camera. I'm just showing them how to do this. Nice people here. All right, here we go.
Thank you.
All right, so there's my $1. There's a coupon. Do you need to mark this receipt? Okay, thank you. All right, we're going to go and look at some more stuff now. Okay, here we are in Walmart. There's the extra laundry detergent, $5.96, 96 cents more, and it's only about a mile and a half down the road from Dollar General. But you look at some of the other prices. There's a Purex. Let me zoom in. Okay. Dollar General is definitely cheaper. Alright, we're going to go up here where the Clorox is. People are getting out of my way because I know I'm recording, and that's neat, isn't it? Alright, there's the Clorox. I don't know, the Clorox might have been cheaper in Walmart than in Dollar General. Have to check the ounces on that one. Alright. Give you a good look at that. Alright, here comes somebody. Oops. Right. There are the prices. Alright, I hope that gives you a good idea of what to expect from Dollar General as compared to Walmart. Now we're going to go over to look at the all-purpose cleaners. Alright, there's the Lysol Antibacterial Kitchen Spray, and I do believe it's cheaper in Walmart. Alright, let's find some others. Let's see. There's the 409 Clorox cleaners. Alright, I think I need to start buying my Lysol kitchen spray in Walmart. Alright, so that's a good look at it. We'll see you next time. Alright, here are the spices, and we need to really look at these because not only are they a lot more, they're in a smaller bottle. Look at this one. Here's the onion powder. Great value even. Minced onions, that looks like it's the same. Minced garlic. Yeah, unbelievable difference. Here's the 5th season. But I'll have to tell you, that garlic is not as good as the one you get in Dollar General. It's definitely a lot cheaper. Alright. Got a car. Some more onion powder, but we don't have a price. Oh wait, it's up there. Oh, hurts me. Terrible. You need to go to Dollar General to get your spices.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. They're a lot cheaper there. Same brand even. See the McCormick?
Yeah.
Same brand. You live close to a Dollar General?
Uh-huh.
Yeah. Do you ever shop there?
Yeah, all the time.
Yeah. Do you get toilet paper there?
Yeah.
You get that Dollar General toilet paper?
Right.
You do?
Uh-huh.
You get the big one or just a small one?
Small one.
Yeah, I get that big one that's
Yeah.
got all those rolls in it. I mean, you can't find anything cheaper even with a coupon.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Anyway, all right.
Check into that.
All right, we're going to move on now. I just wanted to show y'all this in Walmart. This is the coconut oil. And there's the price. And this is on a Wednesday, and I'll just show you. This is Old People's Day. Because a lot of the grocery stores, not Walmart, but a lot of the others, give a 5% discount to seniors on Wednesday. So, seniors come to Walmart and then they go to Bi-Lo or Piggly Wiggly. Well, I'm not sure Piggly Wiggly gives the discount, but I know Bi-Lo does. Alright, back to the coconut oil. Refined, and it's for medium-high heat.